So if Michael and Angela would like to come up to the front.
Babe, she's got the high reading
And,
room. Ate sa...
Many people spend their lives searching for their soulmate, the one true love. Some people are lucky to find the person who should be called the better half of themselves, while others spend the rest of their life searching and never finding. I am blessed and happy to count myself among the lucky ones because I certainly found you. I love you, Angelique. I know that you are the one for me, and one true love. I'm very grateful that you came into my life. And now that I found you, I will never let you go. I promise you, Angelique, that I will cherish you and give you my heart. I will support you and take care of you. Faithfully, will always stand steadfast at your side, with your hand in mine, regardless of what life will bring us. In sickness, I will nurse you back to health. In health, I will encourage you on your path. In sadness, I will help you remember happiness. And in happiness, I will be there to make memories with you. I will do all that I can to make our love rich and in love. I will never let our love grow poor. When you need someone to encourage you, I want it to be me. When you need a helping hand, I want it to be mine. When you long for someone to smile, that's me. When you have something to share it with me. Though life may not always be as perfect as it is at this moment, I vow to always give my love pure as it is today. And I promise to be there for you in your laughter, in your tears, in your sickness, in your health, in your comfort, in your fears, in your poverty and your love. I know that our love is blessed, and I promise to be there for you for all your life, from the beginning. We have been through a lot together, and I believe that God has been better for us this moment. And I promise to keep the good memories alive and let the bad ones die. I vow not to let the sun go down our anger, and treat each morning as a new day to love you. I will not forsake your vow that I made. Rather, strive to show you that my love for you, that I will love you for the rest of my life. This is a promise.
My vow would be the unconventional one. The cliche must be true when they said that the person you hate the most is the person that you'll truly love. I can still recall the first day that I met you. It was not the typical thing that others say, such as I knew that you were the one. I thought of you as the most conceited, arrogant, self-centered, and let's not forget to say, womanizer, the greatest womanizer that I have ever known. You were the worst person that I imagined I would end up with. But life is full of surprises, and here we are today, facing each other with the promise of forever. You may be the worst person that I thought you were, but you proved me wrong when you showed me that you're the best man for me, and that being with you would be an entire lifetime of happiness. Will others believe that opposites do attract? Well, I believe that everyone has their own standards, and that my match is you. I was the stubborn, childish, and overflowing with pride little girl, and you were this persuasive, logical, and humble boy. You were the great spender, hot-tempered, and inconsistent fight over whose flavor or something. But both coffee and milk gives a delicious taste together. This 5-year relationship might have been a roller coaster ride with many ups and downs. I will always assure you that whenever the ride goes down, I will hold your hand so you won't fall. And if the road gets tough, my hand will sit without a favor until together we conquer it all. When everybody calls you a Shrek, I won't hesitate to become a super Fiona Shrek. Don't worry too much on what tomorrow may bring or what other people may say. Because for me, today, I am married to the most wonderful and handsome man in the world. Today brings a promise that there will no longer be an I, myself, or me. But there will only be an us, we, and together. In you, I found a partner, a longtime best friend, and a companion. I promise that in whatever happens, I will always be not just beside you, but also at your back to catch you, and at your front when you fall apart. I will be the warm embrace of your winter and the bright sunshine of your summer. From this day onward, I will be your wife, your friend, your sister, your buddy, your secretary, your right hand, and your secret. Ladies today may ask me to read her several stories since we grow up. But for me, the biggest story that I will tell her is the story of myself.